What if the universe is built on a secret code, numbers? From seashells to heartbeats, ancient temples to prayers, mathematical patterns pulse through everything. Some call it divine design, others coincidence. What if science and faith decode the same truth? Numbers are cosmic fingerprints, not human inventions. Stay until the end to uncover a mysterious number sequence in DNA, galaxies, and sacred texts, which may change your reality. The ancient Greeks called it divine proportion. Modern scientists call it phi, or 1.618, a number appearing wherever beauty, balance, and life exist. It's in galaxies, sunflower seeds, and human faces. Ancient architects and artists used it long before it was formally defined. The Parthenon, pyramids of Giza, and Vitruvian Man align almost perfectly to this ratio. Did ancient civilizations discover a natural law woven into existence? In the 13th century, Fibonacci uncovered a pattern: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, each number the sum of the two before it. Scientists found it everywhere, in pine cones, hurricanes, and galaxies. The Fibonacci sequence describes how branches grow, shells curl, and galaxies spin. To biologists, it's evolution's efficiency. To mystics, creation's signature. Fibonacci and the golden ratio intertwine, whispering the same secret in different languages. Why do religions revere the number 3? The Holy Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Osiris, Isis, Horus. Even physics builds reality in triads: proton, neutron, electron. Coincidence? Or is the universe coded in threes? Psychologists say 3 signifies completeness: beginning, middle, end, past, present, future. Göbekli Tepe, built over 11,000 years ago, had triple enclosures, predating organized religion. Builders sensed 3 held a hidden meaning: balance between opposites, united by one. 7 days, 7 colors, 7 notes. Babylonian astronomers worshipped 7 celestial bodies. In the Bible, 7 marks creation and completion. Human biology follows this rhythm. Most cells replace every 7 years. Sleep cycles and emotional phases often repeat in 7-day intervals, a circaseptan rhythm. Could 7 represent a cosmic pulse resonating through life and belief? Pi, 3.14159, never ends, never repeats. It defines circles, from atoms to planets. Its infinite nature symbolizes eternity, a loop without beginning or end. In Jewish mysticism, circles represent divine unity. In Buddhism, the Enso symbolizes enlightenment. NASA found the observable universe nearly flat, suggesting a return to where we started if we travel far enough. Pi isn't just a constant. It might be infinity's numerical echo. 12 apostles, 12 tribes, 12 zodiac signs. Science divides time into 12 months and 2 cycles of 12 hours. Ancient astronomers saw 12 as completion within motion, the full cycle of cosmic order. DNA research reveals repeating 12-base patterns regulating genetic sequences, like a molecular clock. Could our biology follow the same divine pattern as the heavens? Ancient mystics might have been closer to scientific truth. 0, the concept of nothingness, arrived in Western thought from ancient India, where it signified potential. In Hindu philosophy, Sunya is the void from which creation emerges. Quantum physics shows the vacuum seething with virtual particles. 0 allows negative and positive numbers, forming the axis between opposites. Without it, equations collapse, and the digital world wouldn't exist. 0 might be the hidden womb of existence, the silent code between being and non-being. Across religions, specific numbers reappear with meaning. In the Bible, 40 days of flood, 40 years in the desert, 40 days of fasting, always tied to transformation. In Islam, 99 names of Allah, symbolizing completeness beyond human understanding. In Buddhism, 108 beads on a prayer mala, representing the relationship between the sun, earth, and moon. In Jewish Kabbalah, 10 sephirot, the dimensions of creation. How could spiritual traditions converge on mathematical symbolism? Did they inherit a universal code written in numbers? Modern physics uses pure mathematics. Einstein said, "God does not play dice. Yet quantum mechanics suggests probability rules, a universe thinking in numbers. Physicist Max Tegmark proposed the universe is a mathematical structure. Every particle, law, and event is an equation. Divine order might be the mathematical architecture of existence. Numbers are not symbols of creation, but creation itself. The fine structure constant, roughly 1 divided by 137, defines how light interacts with matter, how atoms hold together, and how chemistry works. Scientists call it the fingerprint of God. If it were slightly different, stars, DNA, and life couldn't exist. Mystics spoke of divine balance. Physicists call it precision. The truth might be an unseen code calibrating the universe. We've seen patterns in nature, art, and scripture. What if a single sequence ties them all, from galaxies to your heartbeat? Let's uncover it. Human DNA carries structural echoes of the golden ratio. Nucleotide spacing often follows a ratio close to 1.618. This proportion governs your lungs, bones, and heartbeat rhythms. Your body remembers creation's mathematics. Every breath, every heartbeat, a silent repetition of the pattern sculpting galaxies and sunflowers. Religions speak of divine breath or sacred geometry. Biology confirms we are living equations of the cosmos. If numbers define the physical and sacred, are we random matter or conscious mathematics? If every pattern obeys the same numerical laws, who or what set those laws? Perhaps the universe is not just observed through numbers, but spoken in them. Maybe numbers are how the universe dreams. Every number, sequence, and symmetry could be part of a vast, unfolding cosmic language. Next time you see 1111 or a seashell spiral, ask, coincidence, or is the universe speaking to you in numbers? If this changed your perspective, subscribe to Oddiverse, where the unexplained meets the undeniable.